Everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick here, and I'm back in the car, and I'm not live, so I guess this is a car chat. I haven't done a car chat in a while, and I have a lot to show you and a lot to get through, but I didn't know what time I'd be able to go to lunch, so car chat seemed perfect because I couldn't set a time. And also, I'm trying out some new editing software called InShot. My friend Ginger the Yarn Geek uses it and highly recommends it. And you guys know I love my KineMaster, but this is pretty cool too. I'm a little distracted because I am parked in a church parking lot, and along the fence of the parking lot are a bunch of little houses, and this house in front of me has a lot of bird feeders. So there are birds coming in and out all over the place, and it's a little distracting. But my park is still closed. I thought for sure they'd open the gates by now. The snow's been gone for a while, but the gate's still closed. I miss the park. Anyway, I've got some whips I thought I'd show you. This one is my knitted blanket. I'm still working on it. I'll be working on it for a long time, and I'm okay with that. I think it's going to be a good project to just, every time I've got some leftovers, I can just add it to this project. And it's so squishy and so soft. I'm using 3 strands of 4-weight worsted weight yarn, and it's working up really nicely. I'm using these great big fat knitting needles, and let's see what size they are. 12.75 millimeter. So they're nice big needles, and it's working up wonderful. It's really squishy and soft. So I'm excited about that one. That's bag number 1. So many bags. My car looks crazy. I've got tons of bags from projects in a box because I'm doing a yarn swap. So I've got the box ready. Honestly, I'm like a chicken with its head cut off today. I really am. Okay, whip number 2 is heavy. Oh, it's so heavy. Okay, this is another rug, another Stash Buster rug. I'm loving these colors. Oh, they're so whippy chick, these colors. Look at that. So bright. Another really thick, squishy project. For this, I am using 6 strands. 6. Look at that. Cool, right? I'm using this a big old honkin' hook. This is a 16 millimeter hook. I got this 16 millimeter hook with this little set. I could put it back in this set, maybe. I'll just hold it in front. Yeah, these big chunky hooks. This one is an 8 millimeter, and this one is an 11.5, so 11.5 millimeter. And then this is like the granddaddy size hook. I'll put it in nice and neat. The granddaddy size hook is the 16 millimeter, which was what I was after. So that's why I ended up getting this set. These 2 guys, I'm not sure how much I'll use them. Probably eventually. But for now, I'm not using them. I'm using the granddaddy. Oh, sorry I'm talking so fast. I only get a half hour. So anyway, yes, I'm loving this rug. I've got another similar one at home in the kitchen, and I'm loving that one too. So not sure if I'll keep this one or gift it. I do have someone who I know would love it, but at the same time, you don't want anyone to like slip and slide on the rug you made them, so I'm a little nervous to give it away. Okay, let's see what else we've got. So those are my whips. Acquisitions time. I've acquired some items. How funny is that bag, right? It's risque. Okay. Need to work out if you're going to be a crocheter in your car. Okay, some acquisitions. I've got some stuff in this bag, but I can't really show it to you because it's going on a yarn swap, and the person who's getting it might see the video. So, I'm not going to show you the yarn. You'll see it on her channel. This is going to Erica Crafty. So check out her channel if you haven't already. She reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do a yarn swap, and I never have before, so I said sure, let's give it a try. So yeah, that's Erica's yarn. But I also found these fun books. Yeah, I found these fun books at Joann's. So this one is Baby Afghans. And the books were all 30% off, and they were only $5 books anyway. So, how cute. All different Afghans. Actually, I'll show you the back page because that shows you the different patterns. Can you see? And the front one shows the 5th pattern. So there are five projects for your special child. So cute. Look at her hair. Oh my gosh. You're so cute. Okay, the second book I got, yeah, this one was a $5 one too, and they were 30% off, so look at those. Oh my gosh, Vanna's Choice Easy Crochet Critters. So it's all amigurumis. Pretty cool. I'm excited about that. So that was a fun acquisition. The next acquisition is not yarn. It is, okay, make sure I get everything out of the package. Different items to make stitch markers. Stitch markers are fun. Everybody seems to be enjoying making them, and I wanted to get in on the fun. So I have these little guys, and these ones are pretty much made, to be honest with you. They've already got the little clasp on them, so they're pretty much already finished stitch markers. They're really charms. You know, I guess people would put them on a charm bracelet or something, or maybe on a zipper, I don't know. But we yarnies, we know that they make perfect stitch markers. So I got myself some of the clasps. Lobster clasps. That's a hard word to say. Clasps. And I got myself some jump rings. Do they jump? Jump rings. And I got myself some round nose pliers. And last but not least, I got these really fun charms. And I'll try to hold them at an angle where you can maybe read them. So, inspire, journey, dream, success, create, and imagine. Those are what the charms say. So, yeah, maybe I'll make some, it's getting hot in here. Maybe I'll make some stitch markers. Maybe they'll even be prizes for something. I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, I'm excited to start a new little hobby though. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Okay, last bag. Sorry, had a little message there. Okay, last one. Went to Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, another chick. I love chicks. The whippy chick. Got some Just Chenille by Premier at the Dollar Tree. So soft. Gonna use these to make another amigurumi chick. So cute, right? Yay! Let's see what else I've got here. I found some fun little scissors at Dollar Tree. Really hoping I don't run out of storage on my phone. Watching the timer tick. I finally found hooks at Dollar Tree. I'm not a crazy big fan of plastic hooks, but I thought I'd try them just to see, maybe do a little review. But they also had an aluminum hook. Actually, they had several. Most of them were size 5 and 5.5s, but I think they might have had others as well. The plastic ones are 6 and 6.5. So I'm gonna give those a try just to test them out. They're $1, right? And then I found these. How cute are these? Little balls. It's just acrylic yarn, but it made me think of the ocean, the colors. So yeah, fun stuff at the Dollar Tree. Cool, cool. And all right, this is an embarrassing moment for me, but I have to show you something embarrassing. Someone forgot to tie her ends tightly on a dishcloth. Said dishcloth went through the washing machine and dryer. Can you believe I did that? It was tangled all through the clothes in the washer and dryer. Yeah, I did not tie my ends tight. So, word from the experienced, not the wise, to you, tie your ends tightly. Don't do what this chick did. Tie your ends down, weave them back and forth at least 3 times, or you'll end up with a mess in your washing machine. Okay. Whew, that was like a marathon. I think I got everything though. I think I got everything. I hope you're all doing great. I've got some great, relaxing, pretty pictures for you. I've been saving them up because I haven't done a lot of card chats. My card chats have been live, so I haven't been able to put in my nature photos for you. So I've got a bunch of them saved up. We're gonna try some relaxing music from the new editing software, the InShot. See how well we can do. We'll give it a try. We'll give it a try. All right, guys. I think you're all great. I hope you're having a fantastic Monday. I am. It's a short week. We have Friday off. So it's kind of like Tuesday, right? Do you play mind games like that with yourself? It's really Tuesday. Okay. All right. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time saying goodbye. I guess I just really missed you. Okay. Goodbye, guys.